the feeling of my feet, walking on the heat down Avalon Street. The concrete's crunching underneath my truck's sweet, and my lady's in a fool, so her hands all bleached. I know I'll reach, cause what we preach is what we learn, and what we teach is that our love is always different when it's earned. So we hang out with everyone we see and